This video tutorial I will cover getDisplayName method of calendar class which accept field, style and locale. Here I have defined the class calendar demo. Here I have created a calendar object. Then I have created a locale object. Then I am calling getDisplayName method of calendar object and passing field as day of week and style as long and locale. It returns long format of day of week. Then I am calling getDisplayName method of calendar object and passing field as day of week and style as short and locale. It returns short format of day of week.